My name is Tresa Todd. I've invested in hundreds of properties since 2018. Since then, I have built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio, and I am here to give you all my secrets.
Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to the Women's Real Estate Investors Network YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss whether you should allow pets in your short-term rental or not. It's definitely a personal preference, and you want to weigh the pros and cons. However, once you've made that decision as to whether you will allow pets or not, you definitely want to specify that up front so your guests can make the decision if your short-term rental is right for them. So for some families and individuals who are traveling with their furry friends, it will be essential that they find a pet-friendly environment. And as always, make sure that you stay until the end for a bonus tip should you decide to allow pets in your short-term rental. Okay, here are a few advantages of allowing pets in your short-term rental. Number one, you are solving a problem for those who want or need to bring along their furry friends. Number two, there seems to be fewer short-term rentals that allow pets, so it could potentially help you keep yours rented out more frequently. And again, because there are fewer short-term rentals that allow pets, you could also potentially charge more per night, which is always a plus, right? Okay, so let's talk about the disadvantages. Number one is the risk of damage to your furniture and property. When you allow pets in your short-term rental, you may be hosting a Chihuahua or a Great Dane, which could mean some big issues for your short-term rental. Number two is that lingering odor and pet hair. Not only can it require nasty cleanup and pet hair removal for your cleaning personnel, but you could risk the negative reviews of the next guest if there is pet odor. And I might know this one from experience. Number three is some guests may be allergic to pets, and due to allergic reactions, must be very careful to search for a strict no pets allowed policy. Okay, that bonus tip that I promised you. If you do make the decision to be a pet-friendly short-term rental owner, then you may want to consider adding a doggy door, providing doggy treats, and definitely providing food and water bowls in smaller and larger sizes. And just going the extra mile in creating a pet-friendly environment. This is going to increase the chances of getting good reviews for your guests. Again, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what you want to see in the next one. If you want to learn more about how you can create financial freedom for you and your family, then join me for my upcoming 7-day real estate investing masterclass, link down below. And as always, I'm Tresa Todd, encouraging you to dream big and be brave.